A commercial cleaning walkthrough can generate a lot of information, and keeping it all organized is crucial. BuiltToClean Manager centralizes your site assessments. Here you have all your saved walkthroughs, and you can add new ones, accessible on your mobile device while on site. Enter client details and project specifics here. Address site assessment questions as you tour the building with your client. Add custom questions, upload documents like floor plans and photos, and specify the facility type. Identify the different building areas, measure them, and input square footage, window count, and floor types. Add more floors types when needed. Select tasks for each area and determine their frequency, then proceed to the next area. Add new areas as you move through the building. Use the Quick Notes feature to jot down any immediate thoughts. Save the walkthrough, and it will appear in your saved list. Review the walkthrough information. Download it as a Word document to add to a proposal. Initiate a new estimate here, covering recurring services, construction, and one-time cleanings. Include carpets, floors, and windows. Easily link additional services to a current customer or create a new estimate for completed walkthroughs. In estimates, use the pricing guide to input building details and labor costs for automatic pricing. Save and download the estimate. Walkthroughs and estimates are key features of BuiltToClean Manager, designed by a commercial cleaning company with over 16 years of industry expertise. Try our 14-day free trial at BuiltToClean.com and get started today with BuiltToClean Manager.